Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lesson on making your English better, step by step. Today, we are going to talk about going to, one of the easiest ways to talk about the future in English. It is super fun to learn, and by the end of this video, you will be using going to like a pro. Learning English is a journey and every little step counts. Keep practicing every day, because I truly believe in you. I hope your English improves quickly, and it means the world to me to see you succeed. Let's dive in and grow together. The phrase going to is a commonly used structure in English for talking about the future. It is easy to learn and is often used in informal speech. Understanding when and how to use going to can improve your fluency and accuracy in English. 1. Talking about future plans and intentions. Use going to express something you plan or intend to do. For example, I am going to visit my grandmother this weekend. I am going to visit my friend this weekend. She is going to study medicine next year. We are going to travel to Paris during the summer. He is going to start a new job on Monday. They are going to move to a new house next month. This shows that the speaker has already decided to do this and intends to follow through. 2. Making predictions based on evidence. You can also use going to predict something in the future when there is evidence or reason to believe it will happen. For example, look at those clouds. It is going to rain soon. The baby is going to cry, she looks upset. Be careful. That plate is going to fall off the table. The team is playing well. They are going to win the game. He has not studied at all. He is going to fail the exam. Sentence structure. The structure of sentences with going to is simple. Positive form of going to. Subject plus to be, plus going to, plus base verb. Example, she is going to read the book. Negative form of going to. Subject plus to be, plus not, plus going to, plus base verb. Example, we are not going to stay here tonight. Question form of going to. To be plus subject, plus going to, plus base verb, plus question mark. Example, are you going to finish your homework? Key differences. Going to and will. Although going to and will are both used to talk about the future, they have different uses. Will going to often reflects prior planning or evidence. Will is more commonly used for decisions made at the moment of speaking or for general future statements. Example with going to. I'm going to start a new hobby next month. Example with will. I will help you with your bags. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to use going to talk about future plans and predictions. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice, so keep using what you have learned today in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the better your English will get. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new video. And I have recently published a video about the use of being in English. Make sure to watch that video for a better understanding of English grammar. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.